Well, we'll see if anyone feels like doing anything. Generally speaking, right after feeding, most birds are kind of sleepy. Oh, are you taking a second wife? Or trying to choose which one to invite into the bigger box? I don't know what Lily's doing. Lily's too little to do anything. Hey, Prim. Here comes a Luxie. Pippin, being one of the younger birds, doesn't like to be amongst the crowd when everybody comes out to eat. It's going to be interesting to see what Lily ends up being, because a lot of her behaviors are very cockish. But so were Papillon's, and Pitch, and Cheeks. It's actually really common for young hens to present as cocks until they find someone they like and settle down with. Now that may just be a way to avoid, well, frankly, assholes trying to tread them in whom they are not interested. Oh, inviting your actual wife, huh? That was rude. Just gonna jump in that nest box Cookie's trying to claim. Oh. So now that Shotzi has moved out, she's in quarantine right now. Sunsu and Pitch seem to have moved up in the world. Well. Mia is in the box, probably with his wife. I just can't see her from this angle. PJ is supposed to be sitting his egg. Of course, he may just be coming down to eat. Oh, looks like he is changing boxes. Yeah, that's a good box. That's a big box for a big boy and his tall wife. Lots of nest box disputes. We've moved out some of our more dominant boys, and there's a little bit of a power vacuum left behind. Oh, hello, Tandy. Have you forgiven me? I'm glad to see you. Hi, Emilio. Hi, PJ. Oh, Betty. Well, your wife is here. And her dad might be trying to woo Agnes. Betty really likes that spot, but so does Bean. We'll have to see which one he ends up using. Guess that'll depend on Hagrid and Agnes's opinions. Oh my good Lord, Lily. Lily just turned 4 months old. No. I would think that means she's too young to do anything, but Betty filled Hagrid's egg when he was 4.5 months. If Lily is a cock, he might actually be nearing fertility. But pigeons also do an awful lot of performative practice when they're little. So that might be what he's doing. Looks like Vinny might be trying to claim him a box. Here's Cheeks and hers. Looks like Bram's with her. Oh, nope. He's over there drinking. I was gonna say I didn't see him anywhere else. Tandy and her mom having a little bit of a nest box dispute. Emilio over there is Tandy's mate, and he is trying to woo her into a box. I am still very, very excited for their children. Bram's gone back up to see his wife. It looks like Valentine's gone to her preferred nest box. I don't think he's trying to set up a different box for a Cookie, because every time she tries to join him, he throws her out. I think he's a little bit annoyed with her for getting under him when he's trying to mate with his wife. Hey, Luxie. Nobody's really all that into Luxie yet. Hi, Pippin. Well, Pippin's old enough to be looking into a girlfriend. Really? That is your grandmother. Her mother. Pigeons. Definitely gonna need some new blood. PJ, Asher, that's romantic and adorable, but you already have an egg. Please, for the love of God, go sit on it. You're terrible. Hopefully maturity will make them less sucky parents. Hello, Vinny. Are you back, little man? That little man back? No. Hagrid likes a box. Agnes has not agreed upon a box. Tandy likes that box Emilio picked out. But Cookie also wants his attention. Rigby, what are you doing? Your egg is upstairs. Hi, Bee. Fluffy. Little Luxie sipping her a sip. PJ and Escher are absolutely adorable, but come on, guys, you have an egg already. Please go sit the egg that you already have. Where is Jet? Jet is a good dad, so he's probably, yep, there he is on his egg. Rigby, what are you doing? Lord only knows, but as long as somebody's on that egg. Looks like all the disputes have been settled over who's going to be allowed to nest where. And that second to the top box is where Silk wants to be with Sony. Right now they're just kind of napping together on a perch. Who's that singing? Oh, that's Lily still. It's still Lily singing. Lay down your head and I'll sing you a lullaby. Got too close to the husband you want, huh? I'll sing you tomorrow, bless you with love for the road that you go. May there always be angels to watch over you, to guard you each step of the way, to guard you and keep you safe from all harm. Sail fair to the far fields of fortune, with diamonds and pearls at your head and your feet. May you need never to banish misfortune. May you find kindness in all that you need. May there always be angels to watch over you. Cookie is still trying to woo Sissy, and Vinny interrupted, much to her displeasure. May there always be angels to watch over you, to guard you each step of the way, to guide you and keep you safe from all harm. May you bring love and may you bring happiness, beloved, in return to the end of your days. Now fall off to sleep, I'm not meaning to keep you, I'll just stay by your side and sing Lily Lilac. warm arm. Luli, luli, lilac. Luli, luli, lilac. Be a painter with pigment, shell, and brush. My angels seem to swagger and my devils seem to blush. And I don't think I really fancy being scared of toxic dust, but I've tried it and may try it yet again. To embroider on a swatch of linen fine. My patience seems to wander as I paint each tiny line. Though I really like the colors, I just never find the time. But I've tried it and may try it yet again. I thought of starting fighting. I haven't got a truck. And I always get a bruising even if my shield arm's up. And I'm still a little nervous that they make you wear a cup. But I've tried it and may try it yet again. I've puttered in the kitchen with a dish or two well cooked. But after 10 or 25 I reach my end of rope. I am only good with dishes when I'm rubbing them with soap. But I've tried it and may try it yet again. I must be good at something rare and undefined. Like raising beds for hunting, maybe adding spice to wine. Or perhaps I'll be a laurel, or just leave it all behind. But I'll try it and may try it yet again. Oh, I will try it and may try it yet again. Andy and Emilio trying out another box. While his wife is actually on her egg, PJ taking a try with Valentine again. Valentine giving him the cold shoulder in no uncertain terms to be with her husband. Cookie, for the love of God, can you go bother someone else? PJ, Lily is so done with your shit. And so is Cookie. I see you considering, and that's ballsy, but it's a bad idea. God bless you, birds. I guess we'll see tomorrow if that's the one they decide to move to. Tandy and Emilio are still considering. We have just about reached the 21-minute mark. It cuts off at the 22-minute mark. So now that things have just about settled, I'm going to go ahead and end this.